Hello, this is Ms. Gomez. I'm going to read the questions and answer choices for the test Compare Nonfiction Assessment. Please put your name, today's date, and our period. Please make sure that you write your evidence somewhere around here, or it doesn't matter if it's here. You must write why you are answering the way that you are answering. Okay, you can stop and pause and re-listen to any one of the questions as you need. Okay, ready? Good. Here we go. Multiple choice. Number 1, what is a key difference between How Smart Are Animals and So What is a Primate? A. How Smart Are Animals is fiction, but So What is a Primate is nonfiction. B. How Smart Are Animals begins with a story, but So What is a Primate begins with a question or questions. C. How Smart Are Animals focuses on animals' intelligence, but So What is a Primate does not mention animals' intelligence at all. D. How Smart Are Animals is about many kinds of animals, but So What is a Primate is only about one group of animals. Number 2. Read the passages from the two articles. What idea do both passages suggest? From How Smart Are Animals? More advanced signs of intelligence are tool manufacture and use, symbolic communication, and ability to form mental concepts. From So What is a Primate? Many primates, like humans, have a thumb that can bend to meet other fingers and toes. This opposable thumb makes grasping small objects easy and paves the way for use in making tools. The tool use is aided by another very special primate feature, a large brain in relation to body size. Okay, is it A, animals and humans have very little in common? B, an opposable thumb indicates higher intelligence? C, it is impossible to assess animal intelligence? D, tool use and intelligence are related. Let me read that again. Tool use and intelligence are related. Sorry about these little, just ignore these. Number 3. With what statement would the author of both articles most likely agree? A. Animals are fascinating creatures. B. It is easy to test animal intelligence. C. Primates are the best laboratory animals. D. Animals deserve rewards for brave actions. Number 4. From both articles, the author's main purpose for writing the selection was to A. Provide information about animals. B. Persuade people to take care of animals. C. Entertain us with a story about animals. D. Explain the differences between primates and mammals. Number 5. Which quotation from So What is a Primate most clearly shows how important the resemblance between human beings and primates is? A. In primates, the upper arms are linked to the chest by the collarbone or clavicle. B. Primate fingers are flexible with sensitive ends, giving them a keen sense of touch. C. Most anthropoids have flat faces, keen color vision, and a relatively poor sense of smell. D. Many anthropoids use and make tools and set up social systems. Number 6. What are some of the most important ideas presented by the authors on relationships between humans and animals? A. The author of So What is a Primate points out the shared characteristics between humans and other primates. B. The author of How Smart Are Animals points out the differences between animals and humans when testing for intelligence. C. The author of So What is a Primate points out that deforestation is forcing primates out of their homes. D. The author of How Smart Are Animals points out that when tested animals are not as intelligent as we thought. E. both A and B, or F, both C and D? Number 7, what is the major difference between the text structures of How Smart Are Animals and So What Is a Primate? A, one is persuasive, the other argumentative. B, one is definition, the other is classification. C, one is descriptive, the other cause and effect. D, one is sequential, the other is problem and solution. Number 8, the information presented in How Smart Are Animals excuse me, and So What Is a Primate supports the idea that A, animal studies will vary based on species. B, primates are the most intelligent species. C, animals learn best when motivated by food. D, animals can only be tested in their natural environment. Number 9, according to How Smart Are Animals? What is a common attitude towards animal intelligence up into the 1960s? A, some species were thought to be smarter than others. B, animals were thought to act on instinct without any ability to think. C, scientists thought that understanding animal intelligence would be an impossible task. Or D, the mental abilities of animals were thought to be similar to those of human beings. Short answer response. On a separate paper, you will answer this. Number 10, explain the similarities and differences between the organizational structures of How Smart Are Animals and So What Is a Primate? Which organizational pattern is more effective in your opinion, and explain why? Thank you. Good luck.